What's going on, YouTube? This is my chicken coop, solar powered. Got these panels from Harbor Freight. I think maybe 144 bucks, I believe. Made this coop out of a trampoline. That's the front of it. There's the trampoline, as you can see. Made this waterer out of a 5-gallon bucket. Why buy one of those $10 ones at Tractor Supply when you can just make one for about $3? And that's where my solar power is coming in. Got this timer on this power inverter to turn on this heat lamp because it's going to get cold tonight. These laying boxes are actually litter boxes. Well, they come with litter in them. Roosts. They're out there all eating. On the outside, I dug down. Let's see. You might can see it. I got chicken wire buried into the ground, so can't nothing dig in. I got it about 2 foot down. I don't want no predators getting in, getting my chickens. Painted one side of it. They get plenty of air. I'll probably just put a tarp over this if it gets too cold somehow. That's my coop.